How to get a repo off your credit report, Phoenix AZ. Getting a repo, repossession, off your credit report can be a challenging task, but it's not impossible. Repos can have a significant impact on your credit score and can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. However, there are steps you can take to improve your chances of removing a repo from your credit report. Request a copy of your credit report. The first step to removing a repo from your credit report is to request a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This way, you can verify that the repo is indeed on your credit report and see what other information is being reported about you. Dispute the repo. If the repo is incorrect or outdated, you can dispute it with the credit bureau. To do this, you need to write a dispute letter to each of the 3 credit bureaus. In your letter, explain why the repo is incorrect and provide any supporting documentation you may have, such as proof of payment or a letter from the lender. Negotiate with your lender. If the repo is accurate, you could try to negotiate with your lender to have it removed from your credit report. You can do this by writing a goodwill letter to the lender explaining your situation and asking them to remove the repo as a gesture of good faith. In some cases, lenders may agree to remove the repo if you have a good payment history with them, or if you have been a loyal customer for a long time. Make payment arrangements. If you have fallen behind on your payments, one way to have the repo removed from your credit report is to make payment arrangements with your lender. This may involve paying off the debt in full, or it may involve entering into a payment plan with the lender to pay off the debt over time. Consider credit repair services. If you're having trouble getting the repo removed from your credit report on your own, you may want to consider hiring a credit repair company. These companies specialize in helping people repair their credit and can often negotiate with lenders and credit bureaus on your behalf to have the repo removed from your credit report. In conclusion, removing a repo from your credit report is a time-consuming and often challenging process, but it's not impossible. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of having a repo removed from your credit report and regain control of your financial future. It's important to note that while removing a repo from your credit report can help improve your credit score, it won't guarantee it. To maintain a good credit score, you need to be responsible with your finances, pay your bills on time, and keep your debts under control. With patience and persistence, you can overcome the challenges of a repo and take control of your financial future.